Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Open Settings and confirm Snapchat has camera, microphone, and storage permissions. Then, force close the app and relaunch it to clear transient glitches. Once done, check available storage. Free at least 500 MB by deleting large media or uninstalling one unused app. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi or cellular is stable. Poor connection can block saving. These first steps remove the common barriers, so you can move on to deeper fixes. Next, update Snapchat from the App Store. Updates often fix recording bugs. Then clear Snapchat's cache inside your profile settings to remove corrupted temporary files. Reboot the phone to fully apply system updates and flush background processes. Test the phone's native camera app for recording. If the native app fails, you have a camera or OS problem. If the native camera works, switch between front and back cameras inside Snapchat and retest. This isolates whether the issue is app-specific or hardware-related. If problems persist, back up your memories and reinstall Snapchat to replace damaged files. After reinstalling, regrant camera and microphone permissions and test recording immediately. If that fails, reset app permissions globally or perform a camera permission reset in system settings to clear misconfigurations. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. Backup contacts, photos, and app data first. Troubleshooting tip: if reinstallation and resets fail, try recording on another device with your account. That can.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.